No. Oh, later your porridge will drop in the floor. Cannot. Gason, wave your hand. Count. Show your finger. Where is one?
Mommy.
Why you hiding your mouth? Count. 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 Show your finger. Count. Gason.
What are you doing? Are you brushing your teeth?